Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can follow me to public on Facebook Lite. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on followers and public content. Next, you can see the option of who can follow me. Beside it, you can see the option of friends. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of public at the bottom. Tap on it. So, this is how you can change who can follow me to public on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.